Happy Monday. It's February the 27th, 2017. My client and I, we just had to stop for a moment, and you can't not feel good when you look at a hummingbird just sitting quietly on a tree. It's just beautiful. So today is, as wings are to a bird and sails to a ship, so is prayer to the soul. And that is Corrie Ten Boom. May you always stop and pause, and God's beauty is everywhere. So if you're ever rushing around through life and worried, just stop and just look around for a moment, and that will change everything. So I hope you have a phenomenal rest of your month. Yay for another beautiful day. Happy day today.